What is the core business of ADA Foods?
So the way we look at our business, we divide business into four heads. Under each head, we have distinct brand which have unique positioning. So our core business, which we also call it as a core business, is where we manufacture and export Indian ethnic food globally. There are four brands under this business: Ashoka, Truly Indian, Camel, and Aeroplane. Ashoka is our flagship brand targeted towards Indian diaspora abroad with highest level number of SKUs, and the brand has strong presence in the ethnic food stores in all the geographies it is present in. While our Truly Indian brand caters to the non-Indians, basically the local people in other countries. All the products have authentic Indian recipes, and the brand has a strong presence in Germany and limited presence in US. This is mainly available in the mainstream modern retail stores. Other two brands, Camel and Aeroplane, are largely Middle Eastern brands. Camel being the premium and Aeroplane being the economy brand. These two are available in modern retail store. So this is what we also call it as a core business for us. Just in brief, other businesses which we have are US brand operations, which include ethnic Mexican and plant-based foods under PJs and Nets. This is we run this in a subsidiary, 100% subsidiary in US. There's another 100% subsidiary which is into agency distribution business, and we distribute consumer products of a Fortune 500 FMCG company in US and UK market. Lastly, our Indian business, which constitutes Soul brand, is a small proportion of the overall business. Our products are available in select model retail and online channel catering to the urban Indian consumer, but this is a very small business. So that's in brief about our business as a whole.
What are the main sought after products?
Sought after products which we are selling in our export markets and where we are doing really well is the frozen foods. So what we make is the frozen snacks like samosas, then frozen naan and parathas. Then other products are the vegetables. So cut vegetables are also frozen. These are the main products which are exported. And besides that, you have ready to eat, then pickles and chutneys. So these are the segments where we are strong.
How is the competition?
So competition, of course, you have domestic. In each of these countries, you have competition. However, there is enough for everybody. There are local players who are also doing Indian products, as well as you have the Indian companies who are making these products for exports, and they're also exporting it. So, but we have been growing in all the segments which we are working in.
What are the unique strengths of your company?
So company has a diverse product basket with almost 400 SKUs catering to the international markets. And our brand is very strong and established. So there is good brand recall which we have. Our distribution channel is also very robust with 180 plus distributors across 55 plus countries where we operate in. So this gives us unique option of with this distribution network robust what we have, we could sign our agency distribution business also. Besides, company has a very strong balance sheet with zero debt, good ratios, and cash balance of around 70 crores. Is further 50 crores committed by way of which we had issued as by way of warrants, and every year we are generating internal capital. So we have a unique opportunity, in fact, to grow organically as well as inorganically. So these are our strengths.
What have been the major achievements of your company?
So as I just mentioned, our balance sheet is very strong. We have worked on reducing our debt. and we are a zero debt company with good cash surplus. So we are very in a right place to grow further organically as well as inorganically. Besides, we have rewarded our shareholders. There have been dividend. Last 2 years, we have paid dividend as well as we have bought back shares of almost 50 crores in the last 4 years. And the strengths which we have in our distribution channel, we could sign an exclusive distribution agreement for Fortune 500 company for distribution of products in major part of the US. So this has really supplemented our business in a because both the products are complementary to each other, our products as well as the products which we are doing distribution of.
How much strong is your brand?
Our brands are very strong in overseas market and have consistently remained in top 5 players in the segment which we operate in. We are seeing continuous traction of our brands in the international markets with our products catering to multi-ethnicities and palates.
How do you look at the opportunities?
Our business has been consistently growing due to strong brands in the region we operate in, consistently adding new products over a period of time and a strong distribution network. Lockdown has also seen an increase in consumer demand for RTE and frozen foods. Hence, all our capacities are full right now. Hence, we are also adding new capacities. We have in fact taken one facility on lease at this point of time, and that will we will start commercial production hopefully from the next week itself. Further, we have done greenfield. We'll be doing greenfield expansion of almost 30 to 40 crores in the coming period to sustain this increased demand. We are also looking at strengthening our distribution and working on getting more and more listings within the markets which we are operating in. We will also be investing into depots and distribution network in the US to increase direct reach, thereby cutting down on intermediary cost and improving margins. Simultaneously, we are planning to increase our product offering and distribution business, thereby enhancing our product basket as well as targeting more strategic tie-ups for complementary products across geographies.
Who are your blue chip clients?
So we operate in B2C segment. Hence, when we look at our consumers is our base. So it goes. Our products are available with multiple ethnic and modern mainstream stores in North America, Europe, and GCC market.
How much is the repeat business?
It's all repeat business only because the distributors with whom we operate, they keep ordering food from us on a monthly or quarterly basis.
Which are the major outlets or chains through which your products are available?
Can you just repeat that question? Sorry.
Which are the chains or stores abroad where your products are available?
So as I just mentioned, in the products are say Ashoka brand. You will primarily see in the ethnic stores across the geography. So these are the Indian stores in say US, UK, where you will see our products. While in UK, of course, it's also available in mainstream modern trade stores. So this is where you will see our products.
How do you foresee the future of your company?
So changing consumer behavior and increasing demand for convenience will sustain significant demand in this sector. Hence, we are primarily, focused on investing into growing ADF foods from here on. Since our financial health is also strong with zero debt and surplus cash, we will be ready for deploying it for organic and inorganic growth for us. So this is how we foresee our future.
Any other important point or highlight you may like to share?
No, nothing. So very important. I think important is I think we are all signed up for growth here on. The demand is good. We have to ensure that we are able to supply to meet our demand. We will, there's a constant focus to reduce our costs and improve our margins, and that will continue. So going forward, you will see that ADF Foods, we will achieve newer and newer target, milestone.